London's Legal Corner. I'm inviting everybody to the corner right now. Let's get this money. Let's get down to business. Lesson 1. The United States, New York State Constitution, Bill of Rights protect you when you're arrested for a crime, even before you're arrested for a crime. One of your rights is to be free from self-incrimination, which is the Fifth Amendment. What this means is you don't have to give any evidence against yourself. In street terms, when your wrists are on lock, your lips are on lock. Once the iron bracelets are on your wrist, zip it and shut your damn mouth. I suggest even before they put the shackles on your wrist, you don't say a damn thing. The only info you give to law enforcement is your name, your address, and your date of birth. After these 3 pieces of information, the next thing that comes out of your mouth is I want a lawyer. If you get arrested with your 80-year-old grandmother and they ask you, do you know her? You say, I want a lawyer. Listen, if cops believe you're a suspect for a crime, there's nothing you can say or do to stop the investigation. If you say anything about the crime, you're incriminating yourself. Basically, you're snitching on yourself. Law enforcement can twist your words beyond belief. The only words that come out your mouth that they can't twist is I want a lawyer. You feel me? If you are innocent and you want the cops to know, you tell your lawyer and they will help you to inform the cops of your innocence. Please, don't start freestyling or capping or lying, thinking you could outsmart the police. You can't. You're not smarter than police. Unless you want to be a snitch, rat, or stool pigeon, keep your mouth shut. Now, if you want to snitch, or you already a snitch, turn off London's Legal Corner right now. I don't want you to hear anything I gotta say. Shit, you might snitch on me just for trying to put the streets on. But let's get back to business. I want all listeners to remember, the word I want a lawyer is a trigger in law. When you pull that trigger, law enforcement must stop questioning you. If law enforcement brings you a Miranda warning card with 7 or 8 questions, next to every answer, check no and write I want a lawyer. The reason you check no is because the majority of those questions, they're asking you understands your rights. And you don't have to check yes or no, but you should put I want a lawyer. If they persist, just shut the fuck up. That's today's lesson in London's Legal Corner. I want a lawyer. It's the Fifth Amendment of the United States Constitution and the New York State Constitution. All my people out there getting money, now you know. The only thing you say, I want a lawyer. On another note, this is for people that I want you to understand something. If you're getting money, trapping, hitting licks, swiping, doing what you do, please retain a lawyer. You don't have to give a lawyer thousands of dollars. You can pay it off weekly or monthly. Find a lawyer you can trust. Talk to the lawyer. Let them know about things that you feel you might get caught up in, and treat them like your family. You want your lawyer to defend you like you were their only child facing the death penalty. That's how good it is you want to get in with your lawyer. All the money you spend on lab, dues, sweat, tricking, shoes, jewels, and booze, spend it on a lawyer. Make sure you sign a retainage agreement. And make sure as long as you're free, you put money in the lawyer's pocket, paying them off until the retainer is paid. At this point, we're going to end London's Legal Corner. And when we end every London legal session, we're going to say, free the people.